First thing before I get into this video, I just want to thank you if you subscribed within the last week. I think I gained like 5 more subscribers, which is a lot for me. And I know this channel is kind of starting out slow, but it really means a lot when you like and subscribe. So thank you. And if it's something that's really resonating with you, feel free to share it. That helps me out a lot. So again, thank you for subscribing, and on with the show. Hope you enjoy. What are those red bowls for? I don't know. This is a mess. Look at how green that is. We gotta do something about this. It's all green under there. I think it's been more than a year since I pressure washed it. So I got this Ryobi 2500 brushless. No gas. I like Ryobi because it's better for the earth. They have neogenean options. By that I mean it's not a fuel using carbon burning machine. It's electric, so it's a little more green, I believe. And instant start, no messing around with annoying pulling and putting stable in every year and oil changes and that kind of garbage. So we're gonna get that going and hopefully get rid of the noisy, messy, pollution causing, never starting gas. But first, I also got these new microphones, so hopefully that helps. And they were $13 on TikTok, so hopefully they have the dead cat attachments like was promised on the ad. If not, then I guess I know better than to shop on TikTok. Just woke up. I do have to go to work today. I wanted to start this off and hopefully this week have a little bit more of a light-hearted video. They've been a little bit heavy recently, and that's no fun. I don't like going off of a script. I like to talk from my mind, and every time I'm talking on these I have like burps come up, so I do apologize for that. And let's get into it. The lawn is good. I got a couple of minutes, so let's rip into this Ryobi. Actually, let's get to this tomorrow morning. It just got sunny out, and I don't want to miss my opportunity to get to my car. Well, I hope you're getting this because I can't see you guys at all. It just looks black. So hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully this is working. I didn't really get much of a test on it. So let's open this bad boy, see what we got. I do apologize for the birds. They don't ever shut up. I don't hate birds. Sometimes they're annoying. We got a whole bunch of birds living right there in the awning. And it looks like the wind might be blowing us over here. I hope that don't happen. Well, first off, what you see, big instructions. Get that out of the way. Probably don't need that. And operator's manual. Handle. And another handle. It's packed in here tightly. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this and speed it up. Otherwise this video is going to be forever. So here we go. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and leave the hose and the sprayer and the wand and everything in there and focus on getting the main unit put together. So here's your bag of hardware. Take that. Here's a turbo nozzle. This is pretty cool. It just sticks right in the end like a regular nozzle, pressure washer nozzle. They got a couple of nozzles in here. Kind of wish that they would have separated the nozzle bag from the hardware bag, so it's kind of annoying. Well, I'm assuming I am going to quick check the instructions. I'm not sure if they want these washers on the outside or the inside. It does look like they fit better like that, but I'm just going to double check. Tires. Yes, it looks like they want you to sandwich the washer between the wheel and the frame. So I'm glad I checked on that one, because they only give you two, so can't get it wrong. Yes, got it. Okay, there's one. Seems like it's taking most of the time to get the hardware out of the bag. There you go. And it looks like I have two more screws and nuts. They appear to be quarter 20s, 2.5 inches long, maybe even 3. I'm assuming that's for this thing. You still recording up there? I can't see. So that's it, the wheels are on. So see what I'm doing here. Put that on, pushing the buttons, that's on. Got 2 holes up here. Oh yeah, that's how that goes. I didn't bring any tools out here with me. It's extremely hot. It's gotta be in the mid-80s right now. This is the 2500 1.2 gallons per minute version. There is, I believe, one PSI higher. That's the 3000. That is like another $100 yet. So this one I am getting a higher PSI than I had with the gas roof that I do have still. If you want that, hit me up. That is for sale. So that was a 2000 PSI or 2200. This one is 2500. So can't really say that the electric doesn't have enough power. Here I got this turbo nozzle. Realistically, this is probably what I'm going to leave on all the time. And the gun. Seems to be compatible with other guns. I hope this microphone didn't turn off. Just like this. You want to make sure you get this all the way tight so that the O-ring is seated. Otherwise you'll have leakage. Alright. Take that off. Wrap this. I hope to be able to use this right away. I believe this is both the same on each side. See what I'm doing there? See it? And this has a little, which looks much better than the one I had on the last one, but you know, new technology and everything. Not sure where this is supposed to hold on to. I'm just gonna Oh, right here. There's a strap. How does that work? Velcro strap. Put your hose in there. This appears to be a little bit shorter hose than I had on the last one, but that should be fine. And there you have it. Oh, okay, this end needs to hook up down here. There's a little copper colored connector down here. That's where this goes, and then the other connector above it, the female end, I believe is where the actual water supply will come in. So let's get a hose and get this connected. All right, I got it all hooked up. Let's give this a try. All right, come here. Oh. Let's change this. So as you can see, it's really doing a lot on this moldy, whatever this green crap is, algae or whatever. And I should be able to blow them leaves right off here. And this is a mess. It hasn't been cleaned in years. So it takes a little bit for the turbo nozzle to get spinning. And I had to unkink the... What's going on now? I don't know what's going on. I'm losing pressure. I think I got an issue with my supply hose. You wouldn't believe how stinky this algae is. It smells like dead fish. My wife is going to be so happy when she sees this. Look at that. Smell the barnacles off the stairs. That's awesome. Alright guys. I'll clip back in after I get this done and show you what it looks like. Right there, that's the before, and here's the after. There you have it, guys. I'm not completely done, but I am out of time for today. I forgot how much of a job this was, and especially since it hasn't been done in years. I don't know if you can see there what a difference that is. I mean, it's like 1/8 of an inch thick in some spots. So in order to do this job justice and get it completely good, I'm gonna have to come back, do a little bit more next weekend, and maybe even on 4th of July weekend if I have to. So I do have some more time coming up that I can be off, but I am happy that when I'm using this pressure washer, constantly be stopping to fill it up with gas all the time. It just goes and goes and goes, and you can just keep going. And if I had more time, it's something where once you start, it's kind of addictive. I can see why people want to make a job out of it. You have these people that go around and just pressure wash stuff because it's kind of fun once you get going. So yeah, I'm so far very happy with the Ryobi 2500 PSI electric pressure washer, and I don't see why anybody would go with gas. But right now it's hot and I'm already dirty. I got my clothes all dirty. I'm gonna go head over to my parents' house and jump in their pool. So have a good week, be safe. Ad Astra, my friends.
I see her rolling.